So, made a lot of progress. I lost my GoPro. I was looking for it for the longest to shoot some more videos. It was actually in the car. So, here's a nice little update. So, I drilled a hole through the firewall, which I took the intake off. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a hole up there. I took the intake off and drilled a hole right there, and it came straight through. Perfect spot. So I fed all the wires through. So all we have left now is the connectors for the computer. These here, the wire for the fuel pump. And then you have all of your wires here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. 12-volt switch, tach, check engine light, brake switch, yada yada yada. Got the OBD port here. Pretty much everything else is going to be ran inside the car. Here's the fuse box. The fans, I'm gonna have to send those out. But yeah, so we got pretty much all iron. I didn't fire it up, but I turned the motor over yesterday. Here is the adapters for the Trailblazer harness, or for the Trailblazer injectors. Adapt from like the 6.0, or I guess I'm not sure what other harnesses it works for, but yeah, it adapts into the injectors for the Trailblazer. What else did I get? I have the gold throttle body for the Trailblazer as well. So you have to buy one of these. It's the X-Link, because the regular 6.0 harness throttle body is different. The plug is different. This, I think, ran me around like $250 or something like that for that, which it sucks because it's like super long. But then I have this. I think this is for the mass airflow. It's here. I just tucked it back there for now. Same with this. The wire for the AC compressors here. I just have to do a little bit of cleaning up of the wires, but yeah, the motor turned over yesterday. Didn't fire up. Of course, I don't have any of the radiator hoses, and I didn't even put there's not that much oil in there either, so I didn't want to crank it over too much. I just wanted to make sure that it turned over with the key, and it did. So yeah, so we did that. Let me see, what else do we have going on. I just set this on here for now. I just plugged it up just to make it look a little better. But this is a pigtail from JS alternator. It came with the alternator. Like I said, it's a 370 amp alternator. So I have to find the instructions. I'm not 100% sure which wires are which. This one, the plug that comes with the harness, is only 2 plug, and this has 3. So I need to figure out what's what. I'll do that and reconnect that. What else? So the original bulkhead, she's got a little bit of music in her car now, so I'm on an egg. But yeah, so what was I gonna say? Oh, yep, the wires from the bulkhead. It's kind of confusing at first. I still want to do a little bit more research. I got power inside the car and everything, but I still want to do a little bit more research and figure out exactly what wires are what power is what. I really don't like this thing. I'd rather get this out of here, but when a guy told me to keep it, I really don't want to, but I guess it's gonna stay for now. But so anyways, thought this thing pissed me off. We got this wired over. The purple wire went to the starter, which is in this wire loom right here. It's in there. Then I have to run, which I made a mistake, and tied it straight into the alternator. There's 3 going to the alternator, but one's going to be tied off, going back into wire loom, coming over here to the heater, which is going to be plugged into here. And then I think that'll be it for the outside as far as I can think. Still have to get radiator hoses. Order one from Napa that a guy told me to grab. Still not sure about this low radiator hose. The way this is pretty fucking stupid to me, but it is what it is. What else do I have to do? I have to get the radiator hoses. I ordered some break-in oil from Summit. I think it was Comcam's break-in oil. I ordered transmission fluid. I'm gonna fucking take the filter off, change the filter and the gasket on the transmission. And I got new transmission bolts, pan bolts, because I know I was missing a few. So I'm gonna change that out. I have to, like I said, run the rest of these. I have to tuck it up in there nice and neat somehow and figure out how to run all this. Let me see what else I got going on. To be honest, I think that's it for the most part. Like I said, I got power in the car. I can turn the ignition and roll the windows down if I want it. I'm gonna do the big three for the sound system, just to, well, I wouldn't even say for the sound system because it's just gonna be for the alternator for now, just to power the car because the battery's not gonna stay here. It'll be one battery in the trunk. So yeah, just gotta splice in it. Like I said, splice one, take one of those wires from the alternator, splice it over to run to the harness for this, and I have that somewhere as well. I'm not sure where it is at the moment, but I do have it. I think it might be in the trunk. Splice that over. Just a few other things, and come Tuesday when everything shows up, should be able to fire it up. Oh yeah, dipstick, that's what I needed as well. So I ordered a low carb dipstick to get in there to be able to check the oil, which it seems like it's got to be pretty close. You guys can see that right down there. It's gonna be pretty close. So we'll see what happens with that. It's a braided dipstick, so hopefully it'll be okay. So yeah, just a nice little update of what's going on, and still waiting on the braided lines for the power steering pump as well. But for the most part, it's on its way. All right, got a little bit more done. Showed you guys all that already. I tied in. This is for the AC heater. Tied that in, and the wing around the back. This isn't the permanent spot for this, but we'll get that taken care of. So we got the wires tied in. This is the wire that's going over there to the AC. These are 2 wires for the alternator, for the power for the car. Let's see, you guys can see these wires here. Like I said, I'm not a fucking professional with this shit, so don't go off my work and look at someone else's. I do have power to everything in the car though. These are for the fan. What else did I get done? Remove the old pedal. Took that out. This computer here, gotta find a place to get this flashed or whatnot. This is gonna be the wire here that's gonna power up the computer. We got the pedal here with a attack module here. This will not work in here. This is it's from an 06 Denali, same thing the motor came out of, but it's not gonna fit in here. So no matter what I do, it's not gonna fit in here. So I guess my guy said he has a metal pedal for me that'll work. So we're gonna get that and use that. Got the harness in there. I got the fuse box. Fuse box is mounted up inside here, right back behind the glove box. Just took the glove box out, took this plastic piece down, ran it and mounted it in there. I'm gonna have a center console, so I'll be mounting the computer somewhere in here. We'll make that work. Yeah, I'll probably run these few lines another day, and probably these other wires. I guess this 12-volt wire is the one I'm gonna connect here to this one. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. I'm kind of at a standstill. Tuesday, we're breaking oil, dipstick, transmission fluid, transmission pan gasket, and filter and transmission pan bolts will be here. So I'll be able to get everything in and at least prime the motor with oil. Just let it crank over. And I guess I can't run it until the computer's flashed. So whenever that gets done, I guess we'll be ready to fire it up. So we'll see what happens, and I'll give you guys another update as soon as I get some more done.